How can a cleaning process be monitored quickly and easily? Which process parameters are crucial? For example, monitoring the cleaning bath is crucial for achieving good cleaning results. However, with ZESTRON solutions, this process can be significantly simplified. Effective monitoring requires controlling several key parameters. The most important include the concentration of the cleaning medium, pH level, and solids content. These factors significantly influence cleaning results and must be continuously monitored to ensure consistent quality. ZESTRON offers innovative technologies like ZESTRON EYE, which enables real-time monitoring of cleaner concentration during the process, allowing immediate response to deviations. For quick and easy bath quality checks, ZESTRON's bath monitoring is ideal. You can regularly send in your bath samples for analysis by our experts, who will inform you of the critical bath parameters. With years of experience and extensive expertise, ZESTRON guides you to the most suitable cleaning process for your SMT production. Do you have questions about bath monitoring? Feel free to contact us.